If you feel stuck, you're not stuck, you're sinking. And the thing pulling you down isn't failure or bad luck, it's comfort. Comfort is the silent killer of potential. It destroys life slowly, day by day, excuse by excuse. Comfort convinces you to wait. Tomorrow, next week, soon. But while you wait, time moves. Opportunities disappear. Confidence fades. You say you're stuck, but stuck is a lie. You're not trapped, you're choosing the easier path. The truth is harsh. You don't need more time, you need more courage. Growth doesn't feel good. It feels like fear, discomfort, early mornings, and doing the work nobody sees. But every uncomfortable step builds a version of you who's stronger than your excuses. The difference between who you are and who you want to be isn't talent or luck. It's tiny choices. Read instead of scroll. Show up instead of quit. Work instead of tomorrow. Your future self is watching, and regret is just the bill comfort sends later. So stop waiting to be ready. Move, even if it's messy, because nothing changes until you do. If this hit you, subscribe to The Growth Theory. We don't do fluff. We tell the truth, the kind that makes you move. Your future self is waiting. Make them proud.